Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I will tell you 10 lines essay about vacuum cleaner. Number 1. A vacuum cleaner is an electrical device. Number 2. It is a common household appliance. Number 3. It cleans dust and dirt. Number 4. Nowadays, there are different types of vacuum cleaners available for consumers. Number 5. They are fast and easy to use. Number 6. It helps you to save time. Number 7. Inside the main body of a vacuum cleaner is a fan attached to a powerful motor. Number 8. When switched on, this fan begins to suck in air through the hose. Number 9. The dust is collected into a dust bag and later disposed of. Number 10. Vacuum cleaner is made up of only 6 essential components. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.